You know what? Y'all made I'm not through.
You know what that was? You know what that was? You know what that was?
Yeah, we're going in the hot motherfucker.
That was a cough drop. It was a damn loading cough. What not?
Yeah, it was a hot.
Here, hold your hand out.
Hell no.
Here, I got here. Just hold your damn hand out, man. There's your man. You thought that was damn. You thought of H&C. Let me see what there. See, that's what it was. Loading cough drop. Was it hot?
Yeah, that motherfucker was hot. Really?
It wasn't hot. It's pink.
That wasn't even real hot.
No, look. That's what it was. Pink. It looked like that. Looked like that, didn't it?
Yeah.
Mint. Ah, shit. I got his ass. Ooh, them are a little hot. Damn. I thought I'm gonna get him down in here. Oh, she ain't got no more mints. Oh, she got some red hots and hot candies. Cough drops.
Man, that been the 6 o'clock.
Yeah, what my phone said.
What that says too. 5:56.
That's what my watch said. Mine said my watch is. My watch said a 4-minute fast, or that's 4 minutes slow. I got 4:59, 5:59. I got 5:59. Now I got 6 o'clock. Well, 5.
About 2 minutes to 6.
Oh. Well, I'm about a minute to 6 then. Right now, I'm a minute till 6 right now. Oh, damn.